When Maya started her first job in a small marketing firm, she expected a traditional office life. Morning traffic, crowded elevators, and quick lunches at her desk. But after a major global shift, her company announced something she had never imagined would be permanent: remote work. At first, she felt uncertain. Working from home sounded relaxing, yet she wondered whether she could stay motivated and connected without seeing her teammates every day. On her first remote morning, she set up a small workspace by the window, opened her laptop, and joined the team's video call. To her surprise, the meeting felt warm and collaborative. Her manager encouraged everyone to share how they were adjusting. Some teammates worked from different cities, one even from a small beach town. The idea that people could work from anywhere fascinated Maya. It felt like the world had suddenly become larger and closer at the same time. Over the next weeks, she noticed how flexible work changed her routine. She no longer rushed through breakfast or spent hours commuting. Instead, she used that time to study English, exercise, and prepare healthier meals. Slowly, she realized that remote work was not just a temporary solution. It was a new way of living and working. Still, a question remained. Was this the future for everyone, or just a passing phase? As months passed, Maya discovered that remote work brought many opportunities but also new challenges. Without the office environment, communication had to become more intentional. Messages needed to be clear, written with respect and accuracy, especially since team members now lived across time zones. Sometimes she waited hours for a response, learning patience and planning more carefully. However, the benefits were undeniable. Her company could now hire people based on talent rather than location. A brilliant designer joined from Thailand, a data analyst from Canada, and a content writer from Kenya. Every team meeting felt like a small international gathering. Through them, Maya learned new cultural perspectives, new ways of speaking English, and even different problem-solving styles. Yet she also experienced loneliness during quiet afternoons. In the office, she could ask a quick question by walking to someone's desk. Now she sent messages and hoped she was not interrupting. To manage it, she developed a personal routine: morning check-ins, regular breaks, and virtual coffee chats with coworkers. These small habits helped her stay balanced and connected. One day, her manager organized the company's first Remote Innovation Week, where employees presented ideas on improving work-life balance. Maya suggested language exchange sessions to help employees practice English and share local expressions. The idea became a monthly activity, and she was proud that remote work made such global learning possible. During her second year of remote work, Maya realized she had grown far beyond her original expectations. She had learned to manage her schedule, communicate with clarity, and collaborate across cultures. More importantly, she learned that remote work was not only about convenience. It represented trust, independence, and global connection. Her company decided to officially adopt a hybrid model. Employees could choose to work from home, from the office, or from anywhere in the world. This decision reflected a larger global trend. Schools, businesses, and international companies were exploring new ways of working that focused on flexibility and results rather than rigid schedules. Remote work was shaping cities, families, and even the global job market. Maya often looked back at her early fears and smiled. What once felt uncertain had become an opportunity for growth. She met people she never would have met in a traditional office and learned skills she might never have discovered. Remote work taught her that the future belongs to those who adapt, communicate, and stay open to change. One evening, while watching the sunset from her balcony office, she understood something important. The future of remote work was not just about technology. It was about people. It was about creating a world where talent could shine from anywhere, where work could support life instead of controlling it, and where learning never needed to stop.